Alright, so finally, after so many bolts, we got the valve cover off. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And time to take this to paint. I got all the parts off my Evo. I have a bunch more parts at the house. I said goodbye to Sophie. I'll see her in probably, I think, exactly a week. And hopefully all the parts are painted. We can install them and start making her look pretty. So shout out to JD Customs USA. I ordered these titanium bolts that he powder coated for me, green, which is so awesome. I got them so quick. I literally ordered them, he made them and shipped them the next day. It comes with this, which explains how many and which sides and where they go. JD's hardware looks like. I went with this green, he powder coated them green, and I went with a white valve cover, so it really pops. I purchased a bunch of stuff. I purchased from my sponsor, JD Customs USA, STM, Amazon, eBay. So right now we're just going to open up all the packages I got and just show you guys kind of what I've spent so much money on. This box, carbon fiber, hood dampers in it, and basically it's just like a hood prop, because right now, if you've seen my hood prop, it's really ghetto. This is probably one of my favorite things I got. This heat shield that kind of just goes over the manifold, and it's really simple, really clean. It says Evolution 8. And I actually really like it. Okay, so.
You're gonna see Maddie cut her finger again.
I don't think this is as sharp as a razor blade, but it wouldn't surprise me if I cut myself. This is just a battery relocation kit. So it comes with the aluminum box and all the hoses, the brackets and stuff that we're gonna need. This is a universal kit. I got it off eBay. I will link it for you guys. It was 100 and something bucks, maybe 115 bucks. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this one already. I've had it for a while. This was the first part that I bought, a tile cube block off. If you want to buy it on JD's website, use my code EVOMADDY to save 5%. So this isn't car parts, but it's merch, which is equally as exciting.
You get what, 10 horsepower with this?
Yeah, so it's proven fact that if you rock my air freshener in your car, it'll make your car 10 horsepower faster. Ooh, these look so cool, dude. Okay, so if you want to zoom in on these, you can come here. This was a new design that I went with. It says pretty effing decent on the back. And then on the other side is my booty. I am never ever going to remake a certain air freshener, so make sure you get it while I still have it, because I'll never make duplicates. Okay, so this is the brace bar. I bought it off of eBay. I'm actually not sure if it's going to fit on my car because my intercooler is so big. So, we'll see. Also, I probably should have test fitted it, but you know. This is one of my favorite things that I purchased. Green filter. If you can't tell already, green's my favorite color. So this is the green air filter. I haven't changed my filter in a long time, and I figured why not upgrade to one that matches. Oh, but I have a little story about this guy. This was on MAP Performance, or MA Performance. On their website, I think it was like $60 something. After shipping and whatnot, it was like 75. I really couldn't bring myself to buy it because I'm cheap, but I really wanted it. So we took the part number and we entered it into eBay or Amazon. It popped up on Amazon, same exact one from MA Performance. It was $40, so it literally saved me $35 or $40 just buying it from Amazon. Do I look fat?
No. That was your sarcastic, nah. Hey, you know me.
No. Your fat makes you look fat. This package is actually something I ordered off the website called Printful, where you can custom make your own shirts. I wanted one shirt to wear to SpoCon, so I made my own little shirt. It says "Epping Decent" on it, and on the back it says my brand, Endangered Co. It's a little crop top. Okay, this is one of my favorites. This is something else I had custom made. It's called buildasign.com, I think. I'm going to use this for SpoCon. It's just going to go over my license plate. Be something cute and different, you know. I was going to get a carbon fiber one that just kind of said Evo Maddie on it, but I thought like this might be a cool thing that like no one else really does. And I really like this picture of me and Sophie. So, this is a radiator cooling plate, carbon fiber. So this just goes right on top of the intercooler. The look I'm kind of going for in my Engine Bay is really simple. I don't want my Engine Bay to look like too heavily modified, so I went with a gloss black kind of look for the piping, and then carbon fiber accents with a white valve cover and green hardware. So it does have that pop of color, but it's still really simple. So this box, you can come closer, is the upper intercooler piping. I already had the ECS lower intercooler piping. I just needed the upper part. And then I needed it's the power distribution block. So STM had this on their site for $75. You're gonna need it if you relocate your battery to the back. I don't know, don't ask me anything. I don't know. Something like this. But
Close.
I put that in the box with the rest of the battery stuff. On the way, still, I have a carbon fiber cam pulley cover, an oil cap, 1700cc injectors, and a 525 Walboro fuel pump. I sort of went ham on car parts just to get it all done before SpoCon. I'll be getting retuned Saturday evening. We're gonna install all these parts, and then I'll get retuned on Saturday. I'm pretty sure by Saturday or Sunday, Sophie's gonna feel like a whole new car to me, and I'm so excited. So, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.